Good morning, teacher, and all my dear friends. My name is Vaishnavi Agarwal. I study in class 4th and my topic is plant. And today I am explaining each part of plant. Plant have two systems, root system and shoot system. Root system absorb root. Root system contain root. This is root, and root absorb minerals, water. Shoot system contains leaf, stem, fruit, flower. Stem. This is stem, and stem transport water to each part of plant. This is leaf. Leaf called kitchen of the plant. Leaf make food for plant. This is flower. Flower are the attractive part of the plant. This is fruit. Fruit carry seed. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Lalit Sharma. I study in class 4th F. My roll number is 21. I made a project of tree. Tree gives us many things like oxygen that is necessary for life. Tree also gives us food, vegetable and medicines are made. Foods, grain, peanuts, chane and rice. Vegetable and fruits, orange, mango, pea and ladyfinger. Medicine, ginger, tulsi and mint. Spices, clove, black pepper, mint and pepper. Shelter. Our house, we made our house and we made our shelter with the help of wood. Bird use wood to make nest. We 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 use wood to make bat, pencil, door, and so many things. It is our duty to protect and grow new plants. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Aditya Kumar from 4th F. Today I am going to represent a model of balloon car. When we blow the balloon and release it, the car starts because air exerts pressure on the car. Let's see.
My name is Akash Kumar. Today I am going to show my project. My project name is Windmill. Now I am going to recite five lines about windmill. First line. A windmill is a machine that harness the power of the wind. Second line. Windmill may be used to pump water or to produce electricity. 3. A windmill has a number of blades that spin around where wind blows on them. 4. The blades are maintained a tall tower or a building. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ashwani Kumar. I study in class 4. My roll number is 15. Ma'am, today I am going to present a model of pollution. Ma'am, first, what is pollution? Ma'am, pollution is when gases, smoke, and chemicals are introduced into the environment in large doses that makes it harmful for humans, animals, and plants is called pollution. Ma'am, first we talk about air pollution. Ma'am, here you can see smoke from vehicles and industries pollute the air. Ma'am, first smoke from vehicles. Ma'am, the poisonous gases or smoke released by the vehicles pollute the air. Ma'am, here you can see some vehicles releasing poisonous gases or smoke. Ma'am, that's why we say to use CNG and electric vehicles to control this problem. Now, ma'am, come to smoke from industries. Ma'am, the factories and industries release their waste chemicals in air, water, etc. Ma'am, so now here is air. Ma'am, here you can see some factories and industries releasing their waste chemicals in air. And that's why we say that factories and industries should be built in remote areas. Now, ma'am, come to water pollution. Ma'am, here you can see industrial waste. Ma'am, we have already talked that factories and industries release their waste chemicals in air, water, etc. So, ma'am, now here is water. Ma'am, the factories and industries release their waste chemicals in water through large drainage pipes, and that pipes end in rivers, ponds, lakes, etc. Now, ma'am, come to domestic waste. Ma'am, domestic waste is the waste from kitchens, toilets, etc. of a house. Ma'am, it is released by small pipes and then it's pollute the water. Thank you, ma'am, and have a nice day.
Good morning, teachers. My name is Navika Singh. I study in class 4th. Today, I am going to present a model before you. The title of my model is Types of Houses. We need a house to live, to protect ourselves from thieves, heat, cold, rain, etc. The different types of houses are hut. It is made up of earth, mud, straw and dry leaves. This is Pakka house. It is made up of earth, brick, cement, iron rods and steel. This is houseboat. A houseboat is a floating house made up of wood. This is skyscraper. A skyscraper is a tall building with multiple floors. This is tent. A tent, a house made up of canvas, is a tent. This is igloo. A house made up of snow or ice blocks is called an igloo. Thank you.